Today we are here in a gorgeous property located in Lavington. It is called Applecross. Applecross is 3-story, 6-bedroom villa with 2 massive living spaces, 1 big kitchen, and a fabulous garden. And for the master bedroom, we created a very hotel classy look on it. So we did not put any shocking colors, so we just created a color palette that has like warm tones on it and also a natural materials like your fur, your linens, and also leathers, so that it is like easy to clean. So we created this from floor to ceiling headboard and incorporated it with two scones on the bedside table. And the bedside table is cladded with mirror to give you a bit of glam and depth on it. So it's a really nice master bedroom, and yeah, it is elegant and sophisticated yet livable. So on the last floor, which is the second floor, it has a guest bedroom, an office, and a cinema. So we will discuss about the guest bedroom. So the guest bedroom, actually the client given us the freedom to do whatever we want to do. So what we did is we created a bedroom that has an African touch on it. So we use jute rugs to give you a natural feeling, and the accent color is a moss green that gives you like the nature feels and vibe. So it is a very zen yet usable space for your guests. Next is your office. So what we did is that we created a different feel when it comes to office. So it's a home office. So what we created is we made use of light, like different ambience lighting to create mood on the office. So what we created is a moody office space in which it is different from the typical office that we have. The next space is your cinema room. So what we did there is we designed a custom-made sofa which has like a depth of 120. It's very deep sofa, so that it acts like a bed. So you don't need like a singular cinema seats. So it gives you that impression of comfort and also function. Finish the gypsum ceiling with a fiber optic lights that mimics the sky, that gives you like this the lights or the stars like twinkling when all lights are closed or switched off. Then we created as well the focal point of having a massive media unit in which it is paneled with slatted woods and also a panel stone wood. So that's it. So that's the kind of work. So when we were doing this project, we encountered some hiccups here and there. So the main challenge that we faced in this project was in just moving one item, which is, I'm talking about the dining table. We need 12 people to carry because it's very delicate and very fragile items, and it's very heavy. So yeah, we required 12 people to just move the dining table. And other challenge was it's the coordination between the contractors and us, because there's like a bit of gap there, and it delays our installation because of some things that was not well installed, or it was not properly communicated to us. Like for example, the position of the sockets on the bedroom, that those are needs to be considered when they are installing the power points on the bed, because the power points and the sockets was embedded on the bed itself. So I think these are like the good points that we need to consider when we are actually building or designing our homes. So yeah, so some people actually underestimating interior design. So under interior designing, it's all about coordination, it's all about planning. So you need to involve strategies when it comes to project managing your project. It needs to be like well coordinated, like when to procure items and when is the proper time to install things, because in this sense you plan your actions accordingly. You will be avoiding a lot of desperate moves, also like damaging materials or damaging your furnitures. And also it is well planned, so it is not rushed. So anything that rushed is like, I think it will turn out badly done. So it needs to have a plan, a well coordinated plan, and with time corresponding time bound. So it should be well coordinated by the design team and also the people who's gonna be installing the furnitures or any fixtures on site. So yeah, it's very technical. People have this mentality when it comes to interior designing, or just dealing with soft furnishing, where I'm talking about paints, colors, fabrics, decorations, but we are more than that. So we design as per how people live, like how people lifestyle, and how the space should be designed according to aesthetically appealing yet functional. So I think that's the best advice that I can give you when it comes to designing. So you have to involve professional when you're doing a project, especially if it is a project that is close to your heart. So that's it. That's how we take our projects. So for any interior design concern, just contact us. All the details are written down below. Thank you. Ciao!